everyone, and welcome to our Drawing through AI. I'm Jessie and I will be your host today. I'm so excited because we have some interesting guests. Guys, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi to your listeners. My name is Melody. I'm interested in AI.
And I'm Cynthia. I like drawing.
I'm AV. We are all AI users.
Today, we are going to talk about drawing through AI. Due to the widespread use of AI, I want to show you some examples of how AI is used in everyday life. And because more and more people are using it, we want to discuss about the illegal issues caused by AI. Let's start with a simple question. Have you ever used ChatGPT or any AI tools?
I think we all have used AI tools before, like ChatGPT or DeepSeek.
Of course, I used ChatGPT to solve math problems before.
Despite asking AI questions, I found that it also can draw. I read in the news that AI is being used to transform regular photos into Ghibli-style images, or styles like an old cartoon, The Powerpuff Girls. There is so much variety in the results. Some even look super weird or like that brain rot kind of stuff. Haha.
Oh, I know that. The brain not soft is just like tun 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 sahur, right? I've been seeing a lot of things like this online recently. It's really weird.
Yeah, and it's crazy how fast those pictures blow up. But it also makes me wonder, like when AI is generating all these images based on existing styles or memes, is it still considered original content?
Good point. If you try to draw a Ghibli style and it really looks like it, isn't that just kind of copying?
I think that's where it gets blurry. It feels creative because you gave the idea, but at the same time, the AI is remixing tons of visual data from actual artists.
And sometimes the artists don't even agree to have their works used to train the AI in the first place. I read that some are even taking legal action because their art style is being replicated without credit or permission.
So, let's break it down. On one hand, people argue that AI is just a tool, right? Like, when artists use references, they are still putting on their own spin on it. AI just happens to be doing it faster and on bigger scales.
But difference is that with AI, you don't need to learn the craft. It can just copy a style, and that's where the problem lies. It's one thing to take inspiration from a style and create something unique, but if it's literally or closely copying another artist's work, that feels a bit off.
Yeah, it's kind of like when people use simple beats in music. Sometimes it's really obvious that it's a direct copy of something. But in the music world, people still give credit or clear permission. With AI, that credit or permission thing is kind of missing.
And it gets more confusing when the AI models are trained on copyright material that they don't have permission to use. I mean, if someone's using AI to recreate a painting style without ever asking the artist, is that fair game or intellectual theft?
So, with all this ethical concern in mind, how can we, as a user, ensure that we are using AI responsibly? Like, where's the line between creative freedom and respecting the original work? Cynthia?
Great question. I think a big part of it is transparency. If you are using AI to generate something, it's important to acknowledge where the idea or the style is coming from, and whether it's based on someone else's work. Giving credit where it's due goes a long way.
Yeah, and maybe it's about collaboration instead of just letting AI take over. If you use AI as a tool to enhance your own ideas, it can be powerful and ethical.
Right, it's all about balance. AI can push the boundaries of creativity, but we need to approach it with respect of the original creators. Maybe as AI continue to evolve, the conversation around intellectual property will evolve with it.
Yeah, AI is definitely changing the game, and it's up to us to navigate how we use it responsibly. The future of creativity is exciting, but we've got to keep things fair.
Well, we have come to the last part of our episode today. I appreciate your time, guys.
Thank you for having us today.
I'm Jessie, your host of Drawing Through AI. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time.
See you next time.
这样子会演。